Hey, Riddle here. Welcome to my channel. And welcome back if you're a subscriber. I'm trying to keep up with some interesting original content. And also, I try to recover the basics every year around planting time. Today's topic is about gardening and not about gardening. You know, some people think gardening is a hobby. I think real gardening is closer to farming, and that is a discipline. The thing about gardening is if you approach it the right way, you can learn so much about life and you can learn so much about yourself. Someday I hope I'm calm enough and organized enough to put this in a book, Garden of Life or something like that. But I'm going to give you just one example of how a garden can really teach you about your strengths and weaknesses and how gardening can become a discipline. Example A, these sad cucumbers. We've had a really cold, wet spring. I didn't grow these from seed, and I just can't keep them alive. I tried to get some interesting varieties, Armenian cucumber and a European one, and they just are not happy. Insects have attacked them. Soil just isn't I don't think the acidity is perfect in the soil. So what does the average person do? Gives up. And you'll see this in people's lives too. They run into one bad thing and, oh, I can't grow tomatoes, and oh, victim, I suck, wah, give it up, give it up. Or what do? You plant more tomato seeds. It's not too late. Or you go buy more plants. So I planted more tomato seeds. I had my backup plan. And even though I'm spraying them with insect spray and I put more seeds in, they're still getting attacked. It's still a little too wet and cold. Here's a couple hopeful ones here, but you know, this is nature. Nature's just as hungry as we are, maybe more these days because we've taken too much. So what am I gonna do? Am I going to take the chance of not having any cucumbers this year? No! I'm going to plant more seeds. I have them in my pocket right now. Here's one of them. So that's one thing a garden can teach you is tenacity and problem solving. Like art, true gardening takes intelligence and discipline. It's not just a hobby. It's not some novel old lady thing. And I'm not dismissing my elders. I'm saying using it as a derogatory term only because often anymore we're taught that our elders are not as strong or, you know, not worthy of our respect, which is horrible. And it's just one thing that has gone terribly wrong in our society. So that's my video today, is learn from your garden. And the first lesson is don't give up. It's about problem solving. And if you can figure out how to solve the simple problems in a garden or more complex ones, you apply that to your life and nothing will stop you. All right. Thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do. It helps. And as I always say, I want you to take care of yourselves today, and I want you to take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. Above any kind of crazy politics or fear-mongering that's happening in the media, if we can't treat each other with kindness, compassion, and dignity, that's what's going to be the downfall of humanity. Bye for now.